It's a pretty common discussion, especially here in Switzerland and back in the United States, that Swiss or even European cultures are a little bit risk adverse than the United States. Is that something that you see with your experience in Germany in terms of creatives and design and development and technology, kind of getting them to not jump off a cliff, but to get them to really tap into that and not be so afraid or in fear of not knowing what they're doing when they get started?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of theories. I think I was talking to Ivo. He used to be the CEO of Swiss Life for like 16 years or something like that.
Uh-huh.
And he was saying, I asked him because I live in Germany, and the Germans love insurance, And I asked him, how is Switzerland? He said, yeah, the Switzerland love insurance even more.
Yeah.
So I asked him, naturally, that means the Swiss, are they more risky? Are they more risk averse, or do they love doing risky things because they're insured? He said, no, they love being insured. So it's not a question of, you have the insurance, I'm going to take more risks. It's just a question, I want to be sure that nothing is going to happen.
Secure.
Yeah, secure. And the security it's hard to be innovative and creative if you're scared to take a risk, So
Absolutely.
we were in LAAX this past weekend, and just going down the hill, trying snowboarding or whatever it might be, it's risky, and you're gonna fall once in a while. If you don't fall, that typically means you haven't learned anything new.
That's right.
And just like in life, so I think risk has to do with creativity. And back to your question, U.S. versus Europe, I do believe that America is a lot more open to risk, and I think it's kind of based on if we think about how the modern America was formed, we had pioneers go over and then try something new, and I think that's something that's never happened in Europe, because as far as the modern world has been around,
that's
Europeans
absolutely true.
always have been here.
Yeah,
so
good point with history.
There's
on that.
no pioneers, right?
Yeah.
And so there's no reason to get out of your comfort zone.
Mm-hmm.
The other thing is, I think it's really tough to get out of your comfort zone here, because the comfort zone is so big. We pay a lot of taxes.
Yeah.
You get a lot of vacation, and life is very comfortable. Whereas in the U.S., as you know, if you try something risky, that comfort zone gets a little smaller.
Yeah.
And if you have a good job and you lose it, and you don't have any other way to pay your insurance, then you're going to pay a lot of insurance.
That's right.
When you're unemployed. So there's different ways of thinking of it.
Yeah, kind of holistic approach again, as to where these concepts or where this drive has come from.
Yeah, so I think it's really based on the culture of the U.S. This idea of pioneers, of trying things out and taking it.